Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm opening another 16-inch Tonner doll. These seem to be the rage, mostly Elowen, but they are all beautiful. I saw Karen at Starts and Stitches open one of these dolls, and I went and started looking at them. And I found this girl very inexpensive, and I bought her. Buy it now. Let me change up my super duper. Oh, is that even shut? I don't know. Yep. Well, I'm like, what the heck? Let's say heck. Maybe. Okay, I just want to be sure because that looks like factory sale. And I know it was open, so. Okay. Something slick. Red hair. Wow. Was this ever opened? They had a picture. Makes me wonder. All wrapped in tissue paper. Hate the waste. Hate, hate, hate the waste. All right, let's get in here. Oh, and I was going to bring out that other package with the jean clothes I bought and try them on her, but, well, yeah, it's been opened. All right. Oh, God, she's gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah, she's been on display. Isn't she lovely? Let's take a look. Okay, her arms are not articulated. Her ankles are not articulated. Neither is her body. This is how, some of you probably don't know that. In the 1960s, this is how your Barbie came in a box like this. I think she was ribboned in. I can't remember for a fact. And she would have a swimsuit on and come with shoes and a stand. Okay, that is a towel and a pair of sunglasses that I won't be using. I will leave those there. The shoes I will want. Oh, I think I paid more than, what did I pay for this one? I paid more than that, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, let's get the stand. All right. What did I pay for this one? I paid more for this one than the next one you'll see me open, who is already here and waiting. This one's been waiting, oh God, a couple weeks. Isn't she? Oh, I was going to show you the rest of the articulation. Her legs just go up and down from the hip. The arms do not swing out. She's very simple, like a jean doll. She does have pierced ears. Her head moves on a pivot. You know how they say keep your head on a pivot. And the knees bend, which I appreciate because then they can sit. I like her. She's really, really beautiful. I am going to look up what I paid for her, but I don't care. I thought it was a fair deal, and I really like her and think she's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Come back and see this doll on Friday. She's going to join in on a collab I'm doing with Karen from Starts and Stitches.